Hello friends, welcome to another video. At Miami Swim Week, model Dorimi Pineda made a striking appearance on the runway for Pink Melon Swimwear. Her outfit featured a one-shoulder bikini top in a soft peach hue, balanced by an asymmetrical design with one sleeve fully encrusted in shimmering embellishments. Dorimi wore a dazzling, oversized heart-shaped necklace, paired with a thick, jewel-encrusted cuff bracelet and statement earrings, adding layers of sparkle and sophistication. The matching bikini bottoms were minimal, crafted in the same peach tone with sparkling accents that caught the light as she walked. This unique detail elevated the simple bikini silhouette into a statement look, blending swimwear with high-fashion glamour. With her confident walk, radiant energy, and commanding presence, Dorimi Pineda embodied the essence of Pink Melon's brand.